Right, so I've got a piece of timber here, and I'm going to put my 8.5mm drill holes in. Okay, so just get your piece of timber here, get into your pilot hole. And I think I need a better battery. So anyway, drill those 3 holes out to 8.5, and then you'll need to get a little file and file the rough edges in the inside, just with a nice little file. Okay, we'll get back when I've done that, and I'll screw them in and we'll start soldering. Right, we've got our holes drilled, filed, and our female banana jobs screwed in. All we've got to do now is solder the wiring looms to the heads of those. So what we're going to do is build up a bit of solder. I'll just turn my soldering station on. Going to get some solder, and we're going to put a bit of solder on. We'll start off with the 5V, which is your red wires, remember. And I'm just going to get some solder going on here. Okay, now I'm going to tin these yellow cables. It takes a fair bit of heat to get into this amount of cable. As you can see, it's wicking up quite well into the Okay, that's nice and solid, so I'll just trim the end off that. Just a little bit off the end, so take the hairy bits off. And we'll do the same with each one of these sets on each loom, because we've got 3 sets up here and then some more down here. Okay, so we'll do the same for the black ones. When you've got big thick set of wires like this, it takes quite a bit of heat to get the solder to flow. Because you're talking a fair bit of surface area. Starting to get some heat into it now. get these red ones. Just trim the ends off these as well, the black ones. Just trim a little bit off these red ones here. Can still feel the heat in these cables, so good little soldering iron. Get some of this extra stuff off it. Okay, that's one set done. Right, so now we'll move on to these ones. Just got to keep the heat flowing. Try not to burn yourself at the same time. And just the yellow ones to do. Okay. Right, we'll just put a bit of, we'll tin all of these terminals here. Okay, now we'll start off with these big looms. Remember, red is 3.5 volt, which is what I'm going to use the green one for. Black is earth, of course, and the red female is going to be the yellow wires, which is 12 volt. So we'll start off at the bottom and we'll work up. Can be tricky in this little confined area. This will probably fly off. Because I need to put this big batch of cables on here as well. At the same time, actually I might take these off. Okay. I'll put in this big set on first. Can be tricky when it all keeps walking around on you like this. But it seems to be taking a bit better now. Oh, that's odd. Okay, so once we've got that one taken, we'll get this other set here. And we'll tack that onto the top. No one ever said it was going to be pretty. Anyway, it can take some time to do this, so you get the picture. So yellow onto the red, black onto black, and all the red ones onto the green. So we'll come back to it when that's all done.